Hi guys, good evening. So this is shout out for all the people who are going through a tough time, who are sailing through uncertain emotions, and who are feeling mired by what is happening around us. Or if there is anyone who is specifically going through something which is disturbing the rhythm of his life, I would like to share a story which I read in the morning, and it resonated with me, and I felt like if anyone can take a piece of wisdom out from there, it will make me feel better too. So here it goes. There is a story about a man who won a very sudden lottery ticket, and he got a car. So all his friends and family came and congratulated him for winning the car and said, "You are so lucky." The guy replied, smiled and replied, "Maybe." And he enjoyed driving the car for a certain time, like 15-20 days, and then suddenly one day there was a car accident in which his car got hit by a drunken driving case at intersection, and he had multiple injuries, and he was hospitalized immediately. His friends and family again visited him in hospital and said that this is so unfortunate for you to face this kind of accident. He smiled and said, "Maybe." And then there was a landslide while he was in hospital recuperating from all the injuries. There was a landslide and his house fell off in water. So the friends and family and the people who got to know this went to him and said that you are so lucky to escape that incident. And again he smiled and said, "Maybe." So when a person places maybe in all that is happening in his life, he places his faith, his power in alignment with the cosmos. So which means that there is nothing in this life which happens randomly. There is nothing in this life which does not have a meaning. All the events, occurrences and the incidents which happen in our life, maybe it is good, maybe it is bad, maybe it has some experience attached to it, happens for a reason, and we really don't know. We can only see what's happening currently in our life, and we drive our own conclusion based on what we are feeling out of that experience. But more often than not, there are tiny dots, and they are all connected to weave into a story which will bring meaning only when you see what was the reason you had seen such thing or experienced such thing. It is something which will only unfold at a future date, but presently you feel mired, you feel a lot of confusion inside, and you feel why this is happening to me. But when you believe in the cosmos, when you believe in the universe, you start placing your faith, you start placing your power in what is happening is always for your greater good. So when you say maybe, it is that yes, it is for the good, yes, it is for the bad, I don't know, but I always believe that there is something which is working for me. There is a power, there is something supreme and divine which is working for all of us. And in all honesty, this is how life is actually. The word cosmos, the meaning of the word cosmos itself says that there is no chaos in the universe, everything has order, and it begins to show us order only when we start placing our faith, placing our belief in the happenings in our life. So this is my takeaway from the whole story, that place your power, place your belief in what is happening in your life is for your greater good, so that you can bring some kind of relaxation, some kind of positivity, some kind of hopeful energy into what is happening into your life. And maybe by doing this you can attract something which is for your greater good. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay inside and stay positive. That's the most important thing.